Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this chapter we are going to start numbers up to 10,000. So let's start with that. 4 digits number. We have learnt how to read and write 2 digits and 3 digits numbers. We already know that 10 is the smallest 2 digits number. Okay? हमें पता है 10 हमारा क्या है? Smallest 2 digits number है. 99 is the largest 2 digits number और 99 हमारा क्या है बच्चों? Largest 2 digits number. 100 is the smallest 3 digits number और 100 हमारा क्या होता है? Smallest 3 digits number. 999 is the largest 3 digits number और 999 हमारा वो नंबर है जो कि largest है और with 3 digits के साथ है. Okay, now we shall learn about 4 digits number. Let's add to 1 to 999 as shown below. Okay, so यहाँ पर कुछ pictures दे रखी हैं. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So if you add 999 plus 1, then you will get answer 1000. When we add 1 to 999, we get 1000. It is read as 1000. 1000 is the smallest 4 digits number. Okay? So कह रहे हैं कि 1000 हमारा 4 digits का सबसे छोटा नंबर होता है. Okay बच्चों? I hope you understood well. So next one. So we get larger numbers as given below. Numbers read at 1001. So हम कैसे लिखेंगे 1001 को? ONE1, THOUSAND and ONE1. So it's read as 1001. So 1002, 1002. So 1002. So similarly 2001, read it 2001 like this. 2002, similarly 2002 write this. 3001, 9991. So if you just read the number, then you will get the answers. So last number is our 9999. So how we will write? 9999. Hence 9999 is the largest 4 digits number. Okay, this is very important बच्चों. आपको याद रखना होगा largest number हमारा क्या होता है? 9999. Okay, so 4 digits numbers on the abacus. हमारा next topic है abacus को read करना. So let's start. An abacus has 4 vertical spikes showing ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. The value depends on the beats in the spike. ये हमारा spike given है. इसमें beats देख रखे हैं. So the abacus shows the numbers 2, 3, 1, 5. इसमें हमारे कितने दे रखे हैं बच्चों? 2, 3, 1, 5 like this. Okay, so we read it as 2315. The same number may be written in the place value chart as shown below. ये हमारा spikes में given है और ये हमारा place value chart में given है. So I hope you understood well. So this is how you have to practice. Okay, so this is the example number 1. Write the numerals for the following number names. First one is given 2365. So second one 4502. Third one is 6400 and D part is 9030. So these are the question and there is its solution. So solution number 1 2365. So हम कैसे लिखेंगे इसको बच्चों? हमने लिखना है 2000. So here it is 2000 plus 300, 6 tens plus 5 ones. So 2000, 300 का हमारा 300 हो गया, 6 tens is converted with 60 and 5 ones is 5 like this. So if you add all 4 digits number, then you will get 2365. Okay. So similarly you have to solve the next one and read it out very nicely. Okay. These are the example number 2 and example number other. So I hope you understood well. So keep practicing like this. Now exercise number 2.1. Write the number and the number name shown by each abacus. The first one has been done for you. यहाँ पर एक abacus गिवन है बच्चों, इसमें बीट्स गिवन है. सो हाउ मेनी बीट्स आर देयर? सो ऑन 1's प्लेस 4 beats is given, 10's place 1 beat, 100 place 2 is given, and on 1000 place 3 digits or 3 beats is given. So how we will just write it? 3214. So B part. So this is spikes given here. So how many beats are there? On 1's place, so read the beats. So there are 6 beats. So write it 6 over there. Okay. On 10's place 3 beats. So write it 3. On 100 place 2 beats are there, and 1000 place again 2 beats are given there. So these are the number. How we will write? 2000. So like this, 2000, 2200, 2236. So write it 36. Okay. So this is very easy. You just read the abacus. How many beats are given there? Just write the value over there and write it like this. Okay. And you will get the answer by yourselves. So now move on next one. So these are the other examples given here. You have to solve it by yourselves. So now question number 2. Draw beats on each abacus to show the number. So बच्चों, number is already given here. You just need to draw beats over there. So at 1's place, how many numbers? 6 is given. So draw beats there very nicely. So just let's start with that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then 10's digits में 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly on 100 place 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. On 1000 की place पर 3 beats are there. So write it 1, 2, 3. So similarly you have to solve the next one and draw the beats very nicely and do it yourselves. So now question number 3. Write the numerals for the following number names. The first one has been done for you. Okay, so read it. 1148. So here it is written 1148. Similarly, second one is given 3884. So write it 3800. So write it 884. So write it 84 like this. Okay. Similarly, 7905 and other than, you have to solve it by yourselves. It's a very easy. You only need to do practice. Okay. Question number 4. Write the number names for the following numerals. The first one has been done for you. So first number is given 1425. So spelling is already given here. So start with next one. So second one is 2869. So how we will write? We will write just 2000, okay, 2800. So write it 800. 2869. So write it 69 over there. 69. Okay. So 2869 is the answer of that one. Similarly, third one is 7513. Next one is 8026. Then you have to solve it by your own. So only you need to do practice. Okay, bachcho, this is very easy. Now question number 5th. Filling the blanks, first one has been done for you. So 4689 is given here. You only need to do just like put the value over there. So 4 is at 1000 place. So 4 is there. 6 is at 100 place. So write it 6, and 8 is on 10's place. So write it 10's place. and 9 is on 1's place, so they already have written is on 1's place. Similarly 6458, so 6 is what? 6 is at 1000 place, so 1000 की place पे just write it 6. Okay, 4 किसकी place पर है? On 100, so write it 4. And 5 is at 10's place, so write it 5. And 8 is on 1's place, so write it 8 like this. Okay, so this is very easy. You only need to do practice. So do rest of it is exercise yourself. Question number 6. Write the numbers by observing the pattern carefully. So this is a pattern. Okay, so first one is 6078. After this 6080. And after that 6082. So if you observe the numbers, then you will get to know that there are two numbers gap between them. So you just leave two number between them and just move ahead. So 6082 के बाद में बच्चों 6082 के बाद में 6084 comes. It has two number gap. After this 6086 comes, and after that 6088, क्योंकि 86 के बाद में 87 and 87 के बाद में 88. Similarly 6088 after that 6090 comes. So आपने क्या देखा? दो लोग का गैप है. 84 के बाद 85 skip, then 86, 87 skip, then 88, 89 skip, then 90. Similarly you have to solve the next one yourselves. Okay, so move on next page. Place value and place value. So now we will just read what is place value and place value. Place value of each digit in a number is equal to the digits itself. So in the number 3485, place value of 5 is 5, place value of 8 is 8, place value of 4 is 4 and place value of 3 is 3. So बच्चों आपने क्या देखा? पेस वैल्यू क्या होती है? जो हमारी जो डिजिट्स होता है वो हमारा एज इट इज रहता है. वी कांट चेंज द वैल्यू ऑफ दैट वन. If it is 5 is given, so we will write 5. If it is 8 is given, so we have to write it 8. Okay. Now what is place value? Place value of a digits in a number depends upon its place in the number. Okay, let's calculate the place value of each digit in 3485. So ये place value क्या होती है? As we already know that 5 is at our 1's place. So 5 क्या बन गया हमारा? 5 remains 5. 8 is on हमारा 10's place. So 8 हमारा बन गया 80. Similarly 4 shows 400. So 4 into 100 is 400. And 3 shows 3000. So 3000 multiplied by 1000, you will get 3000. Okay. So in 3485, the place value of 5 is 5. 5 की तो 5 रहेगी. The place value of 8 हमारी क्या convert हो जाएगी? Yes, you're right, 80. And the place value of 4, as it is on 100 place, so 4 is converted with 400. The place value of 3 is converted with the 3000. Okay, so note, place value of 0 is always 0 irrespective of its place. अगर place value हमारा कोई digits हमारा 0 होता है तो place value remains the 0 itself. Okay, so this is very easy. We just get to know what is place value and face value. Okay, now move on next one. Expanded form and short form. Expanded form, the sum of the place value of all digits in a number, all digits, okay, in a number is called its expanded form. हमने क्या करना है? सबको हमने add कर देना है. 4679, so 4000, write it 4000 like this, okay, 600 plus 7 tens plus 9 ones. So 4000, 4 multiplied by 1000, क्योंकि वो 1000 की place पर है, that is why we are just going to multiply with 1000. 6 with 100, multiply with 600, 7 with 10, because वो 10 की place पर है, 9 with 1s, because as it is in 9's place. So 4 into 1000, 4000, this is 600, 70 and 9. So if you add 4000 plus 600 plus 70 and 9, you will get the answer of 4679 like this. Okay, so this is very easy. Short form, to write the expanded form of a number in standard form is called its short form. So short form is हमारा 4000 plus 700 plus 60 plus 9, it is equal to 4069. So this is the short form of that particular one. Okay, I hope you understood well. So this is the concept of expanded form and short form. So move on next concept, which is successors and predecessors. Successor, the number that comes just after a particular number is called its successors. जो एक particular number के हमारे बाद में आता है वो उसका successor कहलाता है. You can get the successor by adding 1 to the given number. और आप क्या कर सकते हो, 1 ऐड करके भी उसका next number ले सकते हो. So the successors of 37 is equal to 30 plus 1, 37 plus 1 is equal to 38. Yes, अगर 37 में 1 प्लस करोगे तब 38 आपको सक्सेसर मिल जाएगा. एंड द सक्सेसर्स ऑफ 843 इज इक्वल टू 843 प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 844. Okay, so this is the concept of successors. Now we will just move on predecessors. The number that comes just before a particular number is called its predecessor. किसी नंबर के उससे पहले वाला जो नंबर आता है वो उसका प्रीडिसेस कहलाता है. यू कैन गेट द प्रीडिसेस बाय सब्सट्रैक्टिंग 1 फ्रॉम द गिवन नंबर. आप क्या कर सकते हो, एक उसमें से सब्सट्रैक्ट एक नंबर को माइनस करके भी ले सकते हो. सो द प्रीडिसेस ऑफ 46 इज इक्वल टू 46 माइनस 1 45. अगर आपके पास 46 है, आपने 1 सब्सट्रैक्ट कर लिया, देन यू विल गेट द प्रीडिसेस ऑफ दैट वन. ओके, विच इज 45. एंड द प्रीडिसेस ऑफ 725 minus 1 is the predecessor, 724 is the predecessor of that one. Okay, so note, this is very important. 0 has no predecessor. 0 का कोई भी predecessor नहीं होता है. Okay, so this is very easy concepts of predecessors and successors. Now move on next one. These are the solved examples. So let's start with that. Example number 1. Find the base value and place value of underlined digits. So, first one is given 4242. Solution. The face value of 4 in 4242 is equal to 4. Okay, we already know that face value can't change. जो face value है, it remains the same. So, 4 की face value 4 रहेगी. And the place value of that particular one is 2 remains same because as it is 1's place, and 4 remains, 4 becomes 40. And 2 which is on 100 place, it becomes 200. So if you multiply 2 with 100, it's 200. Similarly 4 into 1000, it becomes 4000. So the place value of 4 in 4242 is equal to 4000. I hope you understood well, beta. So this is very easy. Okay, so move on next one. These are the other examples, you have to do practice yourselves. Okay, now move on example number 2. Write the following numbers in expanded form. So this is the number given 3768. So solution of that particular one is expanded form of 3768. 3 is on 1000 place, so 3000 plus 700 plus 6 tens plus 8 ones. So 3 multiplied by 1000 because it's on 1000 place, 7 with 100 and 6 with 10 or 8 with 1. So if you multiply 3 with 1000, then you will get 3000, and 7 with 100 700, then 60, and with 8. So the expanded form of 3068 is 3000 plus 700 plus 60 and plus 8. So these are the expanded form of that particular one. Okay, so this is the example of that other one. So you only need to do practice. Okay beta. So now we will move on exercise 2.2. Write the face value of underlined digits. So first one is given 7869. So underline value is 9. So what we learnt? We learnt about face value can't change. Whatever the number is given, the digits is always remain the same. So face value of that particular one is 9, क्योंकि वो हमारा चेंज नहीं होगा. सिमिलरली 5237 हमारा डिजिट्स किस पे अंडरलाइन हो रखा है? 3 पर. सो हमारा आंसर भी क्या होगा? 3. ओके, सो दिस इज वेरी इजी. You just do the practice and get the answer soon. Okay, so move on next one. Question number 2. Find the place value of underlined digits. So first one is given 1 0 5 7. So underlined digit is 1. So 1 कौन सी place पर है? Yes, it's on 1000 place. So place value of that one is 1000. Okay. So next कौन सी प्लेस पर है? 5 is on 100 place. So 5 का क्या बन गया हमारा? 500. So similarly you have to solve the other one by yourselves. Okay. Question number 3. Write the place value and the place value of 7 in 6759. So write it with 6759. So here it is, they are asking face value of 7. So 7 की face value 7 itself. Okay, and the place value of 7 की place value is 7 into 100, which is 700. Okay, so this is how you have to find out the place value and the place value. So students, these are the very easy questions. You only need to do practice. So I hope you understood the chapters well. So keep practicing like this. Okay, so move on. Question number next. Greater than and less than and equal to. Okay, so the sign greater than means greater than, it's a place between the two numbers in such a way that the open side is towards the bigger number. For example, 3527. So we already know that 35 is bigger, so the arrow sign goes towards 35 like this. Okay, and 225 versus 125. So we know that 225 is bigger, so put the arrow toward like this. Okay, so this is the example of greater than. So the sign less than means less than, ये हमारा less than का sign होता है बच्चों. Okay, it's also placed between the two numbers in such a way that the close side is towards the numbers smaller number. For example, 79 and 97. So 79 and 97, we know the 97 is bigger, so this is the bigger sign, and the opposite sign of that one is like this. So this is smaller sign. Okay, and 127 with 227. So 127 is smaller number. So like this is the sign of that one. Okay, the sign is equal to means equal to. When we use it between two numbers, it means that the numbers on both sides of the sign have the same value. For example, 12 is 12. So we know that both the digits are same. So 12 is equal to 12 and 176 is equal to 176 like this. Okay. We have learnt comparing 3 digits number in the previous class. हमने पहले previous classes में हम पढ़ चुके हैं नंबर को compare करना. Now let's learn to compare 4 digits number. अब हम क्या सीखेंगे? 4 digits numbers को compare करना. Following the same rules. So rule number 1 is given here. So the numbers having more digits is greater. जिसके ज़्यादा हमारे numbers होते हैं वो हमारे greater होते हैं. Example, compare 3468 and 437. Number of digits in 3468 is 4. Okay, number of digits in 4337, इसमें हमारा क्या नाम है? 3 है. So अगर हम इन दोनों को कंपेयर करेंगे, the numbers 3468 has more digits than 4037. हमें पता है इसमें हमारे ज़्यादा नंबर है. Hence 3468 is greater than 437. So 3468 is greater than 4037. So this is how you have to find out the which number is greater or which number is smaller. So this is the rule number second, this is the rule number 3. Rule number second is if the numbers have equal digits, the number having the greater digits, it's extremely left is greater. अगर तो वो दोनों के दोनों नंबर्स को हम कंपेयर करते हैं वो सेम होता है तो हमें एक्सट्रीमली लेफ्ट में जो नंबर बड़ा है वो हमारा बड़ा नंबर होता है. जैसे कि हमें एग्जांपल दे रखा है 7 and 5. So we know that 7 is greater than 5. So hence 7475 is greater than 484. So these are the other example of that one. Okay. So now move on next concept, which is ascending and descending order. Ascending order or increasing order. Arranging the given numbers from the smallest to the biggest is called ascending or increasing order. छोटे से जो बड़ा नंबर हमारा जाता है वो हमारा ascending order और you can say that increasing order कहलाता है. Example 4134, 4347, 4473 and 6243. So we already know that which number is bigger. So here it is clearly seen that 4134 is our smallest number. So start with smallest number, then after that 4347, उसके बाद बड़ा नंबर आता है हमारा 4473 and at the last the number 6243 are greatest number or you can say that the biggest number. So this is how we have to solve the ascending order. Smaller number, then bigger number, then after that bigger number and at the last biggest number. Okay. So move on descending order. Descending order or descending or decreasing order. Arranging the given numbers from the biggest to the smallest is called descending order or decreasing order. बड़े से कोई नंबर जब छोटे की तरफ जाता है वो हमारा डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर होता है. एग्जाम्पल 6243, 4473, 4347 and 4134. So we have to find out the biggest number first. So we know that 6243 is biggest number. उसके बाद 4473 like this. उसके बाद नंबर 4347 comes and at the last 4134 is our smallest number. So this is how you have to find out the greater number first, then smaller and then smallest number. So I hope you understood the concept. So these are the other examples. You have to find out the other one yourselves. Okay. Now solved example. Example number 1. Comparing 7532 and 7565. Solution. The digits in the thousand place are the same in both the numbers. The digits in the hundred place are the same in both the numbers. Now comparing the digits in tens place, we find that 3, 6. So 6 is bigger than 3. So 7532 is smaller than 7565. Okay, ये बोल रहे हैं बच्चों 7 और 7 हमारा सेम है, 100 की प्लेस पे 5 सेम है, तो हमें टेंस की प्लेस को कंपेयर करना है. तो टेंस की प्लेस पे हमारा 3 गिवन है और यहाँ पर हमारा 6 गिवन है, तो 6 हमारा 3 से बड़ा होता है. दैट इज वाई द कंप्लीट नंबर विच इज 7565 इज ग्रेटर देन अदर नंबर. Okay, I hope you understood. So these are the other example of that concepts. Okay, so read it nicely and you will get the answer soon. Okay बच्चों, so move on exercise 2.3. Insert greater than or lesser than or equal to in the blanks. Okay, first one is given 999 or next one is given 1001. So you tell me the first which number is bigger. Yes, of course, we can see that there is other one is 4 digits number. So of course it is bigger than other than 1. Okay, so keep the arrow towards bigger size, bigger one. Next one 4567 and 4576. So here you can see that 1000 place has same number 44, 100 की प्लेस में 5 से नंबर है. Now you have to compare with tens digits place. So 7 is bigger than 6. So completely this number is bigger than other number. Okay बच्चों, so these are the concepts. With this you have to find out that which number is bigger or which number is smaller. I hope you understood. So move on, question number 2. Encircle the smallest number in each of the following. अब आपको क्या करना है, सबसे छोटा नंबर you have to find out. So start with that. These all numbers are given 4 digits. Okay, 3358, 4205. Next one is 2735, 3013, 2553 and 2357. So हमने क्या करना है, start with 1000 place. 1000 की प्लेस पे हमारा सबसे छोटा नंबर आता है 2. बट हेयर वी कैन सी दैट इट्स अ 2, it is already 2 and here it is already 2. So 2, 2, 2 are same number. So start or you can say that compare with 100 digits. So 100 की digits में क्या है 7, यहाँ पर क्या है 5 and last में क्या दे रखे 3. So we can see that this number are smallest number among all. So this is how you have to find out the which number is smallest or not. Okay, I hope you understood well. So move on, next question. Encircle the greatest number in each of the following. सेम मेथड. हमने क्या करना है, पहले ये देखना है कि 4 डिजिट्स के नंबर हैं कि 3 डिजिट्स के नंबर हैं कि कितने डिजिट्स के हैं. वी कैन सी दैट देयर ऑल नंबर्स आर स्टार्ट विथ 4 डिजिट्स. 4, 4, 4. Yes. So the biggest number or you can say that greatest number is our 8. But we have 8. This is start with 8000. This is also start with 8000 and it is also 8. So now compare with 100's place. 100 की प्लेस में क्या है बच्चों 6, अदर 6 and यहाँ पर दे रखा है हमारा 1. So here it is 1. So just cut out from list. इसको लिस्ट में नहीं रखना है. Now we have 2 number left. So now see the tens digits. So tens की digits में हमारा क्या है 1 और here it is given 9. So this number is our greatest number. So 8691 is the answer of that particular one. Or you can say that it's a greatest value. Okay. So students, with this we ended the chapter. I hope you understood well. So keep practicing like this and do rest of its exercise by your own.